turning towards difficulty meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to fully arrive. Close your eyes, or you can keep your eyes open, gazing into the horizon. Now, inhale and exhale. Focus, breathing deep into your abdomen. One breath at a time. Allow the ebb and flow of inhalation occurs naturally without you forcing it. In this practice is build a resilience to meeting difficulty, whatever it is they arise, they challenge us. Now allow yourself to bring your awareness to a middle or mild discomfort in the body or in the mind. Remember, this is a safe place for you to practice. If feelings arise from the unknown and want you to fight it, don't try to run away. Don't move too much. But become an observer, looking back at the situation. Where is it? What does it feel like? Stay focused on being the observer. This point is nothing to do other than being gentle with yourself. Let each breath move through it. At this point, there's no need to remove it. Just be present with it. Just allow to experience and observe this and know that you're safe and know that no one's here to harm you. And when you're ready, breathe in, and feel your whole body with ready and light. And exhale fully and let that sensation go. One more time. Inhale in, fill up your body with white light, and exhale through your mouth, nose, and come back to your center. Breathe back into your abdomen. Remind yourself that you're safe, and remind yourself that you can do this if ever arise in the future. Keep center, and when you're ready, allow the energy from your head settle into your heart, and the energy from your heart settle into your lower abdomen. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.